Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover a Brawl Stars account without your Supercell ID. Alright, so let's begin with the video. What you have to do in order to recover your Brawl Stars account without having your Supercell ID noted is to go to the Brawl Stars Support page. You can find this exact contact form page by simply searching Contact Form Brawl Stars in Google and accessing the first page from the Supercell Support. If you cannot find this page, you can also go to support.supercell.com and select Contact Form under Troubleshooting category. In here, you can simply click the blue Contact Us button at the bottom of the page. In here, select your category, which usually is something else, and in here you can include any account. If you want to recover your account, simply create a new one in order to be able to contact them. The second one can be attributed to a random email address that you can use to talk to the Brawl Stars customer support, and it doesn't need to be the one connected to your main account that you lost. Type your message describing your issue, that is, the one you lost your Supercell ID, and they will ask for more information regarding your account, and they will be able to help you recover your account after you submit the contact form. So that's basically how you can recover a Brawl Stars account without your Supercell ID. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.